Sister, do you know how many?
Your case had more than 10 hours.
How many family did you visit?
So what is the solution is yesterday? You know that. So you're taking the tournament. So we have to wait here.
ബ്ലാക്ക് കിട്ടുവാൻ ബ്ലാക്ക് അവനാണോ
How many hours?
അവനെന്നെ വിളിക്കേ
You think this all this not make sense?
नहीं तो क्या करेगा? नहीं तो क्या कार्ड अरेंज करो ना.
Which engineer is taking? Is it exactly aeronautical engineer or anything? I don't know that. Which engineer is taking the flight? Because last 2 hours, your guest giving the same info. When your supervisor was here, he said the engineer is taking, they will update it. And then that's what he said. 10:50, we will give the final update. When your manager came, he said the same. Now you say you need to put some part and you will move. Okay, fine. You put the part. Do you feel you are joking? Do you feel you are joking?
You are not giving any information.
The
problem is you are not giving exact information.
We are not getting the point of this here. So we need help from your end. Either replace the aircraft. Please make your engineer cannot replace the aircraft.
That's secondary. We need to fly.
What happened to the landing?
He had many aircraft here, right?
Yeah, he said.
ആ ചെങ്ങാനെ വിളിക്കും അവനോടെ
No, we need updating. Why he came here? Manager, come. Manager. What is that?